my name is Yuanhan Wang, and today I will talk about loops by Python. This video is for class CMPT 376W, and the target audience is middle school students. First, let's talk about loops. It is an instruction that repeats multiple times as long as some condition is met. There are two types of loops, for loop and while loop. Let's talk about for loop first. It always sets a range of repeating and will stop when it is out of range. For example, for putting food into the refrigerator, people need to go from the first step to the third step. First step, open the refrigerator. Second step, put the food in the refrigerator. Third step, close the refrigerator. Now let's talk about while loop. It usually sets one certain condition and repeats continuously when this condition met. For example, while the light bulb is not broken, it will be turned on and off again and again by people. Here is the light bulb. It will be turned on when people need it, and when people don't need it, it will be turned off. As long as this light bulb is not broken, this loop will be continuous, as the light bulb will be turned on and off again and again. Then let's see a quick demo about using loops to draw a graph by Python Turtle graphics. Here's my code. Both for loop and while loop function will draw a purple turtle with only its head exposed. So now let me run the for loop first. As you can see, it will draw this purple graph 5 times, and then it will stop. Now let's try the while loop. It will also draw the purple turtle 5 times and stop. And here's the summary. Today in this video, we talk about the definition of for loop and the difference between for loop and while loop with examples, and demo code of loop using Python and Turtle graphics. Thank you for watching.